Hi, I'm Rachel Tablante, and you're watching TechTalk On Demand. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want the latest news and updates from PLDT Enterprise, please subscribe. What are the qualities that you're looking for in a BFF? Siyempre, for me, yung gusto ko yung mahilig man libre. Joke lang. But seriously, for me, and I'm sure for most of us, all of us, we want someone who's really trustworthy. Just as reliable as a sister or a partner or a husband, a spouse. Someone that you can truly rely on. And really, if you analogize it with a business, it's exactly like that. For your business, you want someone that you can truly trust, especially now that everything has radically changed because of what has happened. You truly need someone that you can rely on. Consumer behavior has radically shifted in a year's time. Shopping has become a click. A visit to the doctor has become teleconsulting. Learning has become or is done through webinars or videos. Entertainment through streaming and online content. This is the landscape that businesses needed to adapt quickly. Businesses just needed to be online fast. The workforce needed to be enabled right away so everyone remains connected, harnessing all available digital platforms. Businesses have benefited being online, but being online is no easy feat. From creating your content for social media, to doing live selling, integrating to e-commerce solutions like payments, contactless transactions, menus, forms. Dami, di ba? Therefore, a regular broadband connection is not enough. So today we're here to talk to you about a breakthrough in business broadband, so you can look beyond your challenges and embrace the power of digital. What is Beyond Fiber? Powered by PLDT's most extensive fiber optic network of 429,000 kilometers and growing, Beyond Fiber truly redefines business internet with a connection of boosted minimum speed of 90% the speed at 90% reliability. With its boosted minimum speed, gives you 3 times more reliable connection. What this means is that it reduces your need to purchase higher bandwidth just so you can get better minimum speed or higher consistent speed. With Beyond Fiber, you will get access to consistent internet connectivity no matter what time of the day. Access to the latest tools and technologies, from connecting to your customers to collaborating with your employees. All of these while being managed in a safe and secure network. Wi-Fi powered by Cisco Meraki. Digital transformation just doesn't stop with reliable internet connection. You need to connect your devices in a safe and seamless way. That is why Beyond Fiber comes with a Wi-Fi router that's fit for business. Powered by Cisco Meraki, a global leader in cloud-managed networking, it aims to give businesses premium internet experience at no extra cost. It runs on a secured network, expertly managed for you by PLDT Enterprise. So you don't need to worry on future updates, added cost, complex IT stuff. You can just focus on your business. No need to think about your Wi-Fi. Curated digital solutions. Boost your digital transformation with the latest powerful tools. From productivity and collaboration solutions, services that enable your devices to be protected from cyber attacks, scheduling apps, all up to enabling your business to accept online transactions. All these and more, Beyond Fiber has partnered with all these partners and solutions and tools so that it becomes your one-stop shop for all your business needs. What is Beyond Fiber's value to a business? This is the first of its kind, business-grade fiber to enable resilient success with its 1990 advantage. Reach your customers via social media at any time of day. Engage with them, respond to their concerns at any time. Enable seamless, cashless transactions for them. And even with your operations, run your operations seamlessly, monitor it uninterrupted. Host video calls, con calls with your partners and employees. Run your business without the headache. All these and more you can with Beyond Fiber. And of course, the best part is saving on cost. With Beyond Fiber, no need for unnecessary upgrades just to get better or faster minimum speed. With its 1990 advantage, you will make the most out of every peso. You're well equipped with all the technological changes. Beyond Fiber comes with no less than a Cisco Meraki router. Not only does this provide a safe and worry-free Wi-Fi experience, but actually offers a deeper level of after-sales support. Beyond Fiber was made with a business in mind. Therefore, it's really meant to perform above and beyond. It provides redefined, business-grade internet connection, PLDT managed, enterprise-grade Wi-Fi router, and the latest and most relevant digital tools for your business. For any business embracing digital, it's not just about speed or bandwidth, but it's about consistency and reliability. Only those who are resilient can survive and thrive. For you to reap success in this digital age, in this digital world, one needs consistent connection in a safe and reliable way. So the question is, are you ready to go beyond? Take the leap without the risks. Experience Beyond Fiber for only 90 pesos for the first 90 days. Scan the QR code or click on the link to get your journey to Beyond started. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until the next episode of Tech Talk, less talk, more tech.